Hi guys, we just received the box from Horizon for the new Apple iPhone 14. And we just opened the box, and here you see the first envelope for the trade-in phone, and then some other stuff, and still, and here's the phone. The box here looks a little bit similar to the previous one with the white color. Okay, go ahead and open it. Here we go. That's on the other side. This is a nice color. The cameras here are a little bit different from the previous iPhone 13. A little bit bigger. That's my old iPhone 13, and the new one, iPhone 14. The color is pretty nice. It's pretty cool actually. It's a little bit thicker, I guess, or feels like that. Yeah. All right, that was about it. Thank you.